Hello YouTubers, this is my Miele softtronic w4146 toy washing machine, which I'm going to be modifying, which means it'll spin faster. And this is basically a video just to show you that it works. Everything is there, the drum spins. All it needs is a new seal on the door. Get that sorted. So basically the lights work, we're just running through its cycles. So yeah, that's my Miele softtronic w4146, which is, like I said, soon to be modified, which means it will go a lot quicker than what it does now. Thanks for watching.